Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own adventure book inspired by the Disney movie Up. Alrighty, so the first thing you will need is a book. This I paid only $5 for. It was in the DIY album section of an art supply store. So have a look around and I'm sure you'll be able to find something very similar. Alternatively, you could make your own and bind it as well, but I just find this so much easier. You also need acid-free glue, double-sided tape, string of your choice, and an A4 sheet of white card. The first thing you'll need to do is find your cover, so I searched adventure book printable and picked one I liked. I chose to go with our adventure book, but you can pick the original and go with my adventure book. It's completely up to you. Once you found one that you like, save the image and then open a Word, Publisher or Pages file, whichever works for you. Then add your image. I find the easiest thing to do is grab the sheet of card you're going to use to print on and then place it on the book as a reference to see how big you need to make the image. Once you've printed the cover out and cut it to size, use the double-sided tape to stick it to the book.
Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with.
Next, choose your string. I decided to go with black because I felt like it fitted more, but you can pick any color you want. I cut out a small section of the string, tied the middle and then created a bow. Next, using the glue, stick it down onto the page. Wait for the glue to dry and you're done. So this is an adventure book I'd made a while ago. I also used an album, but the sheets inside are a bit different. This one I'm going to use for travel, and my new one will be dedicated to mini adventures like movies, concerts and events. With Valentine's Day coming up, I think this is a pretty good idea, or just for yourself. I mean, why not? Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in the next video.
Whoa.